Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change the system language in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu, and select Settings or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Then go to Time and Language, and click on Language and Region. In the Preferred Languages section, click on Add a Language. A list of languages will appear. Select the language you want to add and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the language pack if necessary. You can also check the Set as My Windows Display Language option. After the language is added, enter the Windows Display Language section. Select the desired language from the drop-down menu. To apply the new language, you will need to sign out and sign back in. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.